Hello guys, today I will show you how you can set the child lock wirelessly in dishwasher HISENSE HV. So in the first step, open your dishwasher in the Connect Live app if you want to check how to pair your device with the smartphone check or other video. And as you can see, there we have a child lock, so if you want to switch it on, just tap on the switcher. Okay, I'm not sure why I cannot do it, but okay, we have to swipe to the right side. Maybe we have to turn on the remote control on the dishwasher. Okay, my dishwasher is freezed, so never mind, after the restart it should work, so this is the way how you can do it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.